Why hasn't anybody tried to build a taller motorcycle yet? Maybe they just don't know what to do. Could it be that simple? So I was wondering, why hasn't a brand like, I don't know, Harley Davidson ever built a motorcycle specifically for a tall rider? Maybe they just don't know what to do. I mean, I could give a suggestion, but I'm just one man. I don't know anything about designing motorcycles, so. But I brought along a friend of mine, Dr. Big C. Hey, Dr. Big C, come tell Harley Davidson what they should do to help people who are taller want to ride a motorcycle. Dr. Big C? Why, hello. I'm Dr. Big C, and I'm a real doctor. And as a real doctor, I recommend for proper ergonomics, that's your back and shit, when riding a motorcycle, Harley Davidson should, say, get their Road King and make the Road King bigger. And while you're at it, maybe make it the first bike by Harley Davidson ever to be liquid cooled. Maybe, you guys have been looking for some place to put that 131 engine. Stock. So it's a Road King. It's liquid cooled. It's got a 131 engine in it, but it's bigger. What do you call it? You already got a Road King. What's greater than the King? Call it a Road Lord. Call it a Road. Is it a Road God? When you got that glow. The Harley Davidson Road God. I think the God's answer. Did you hear that? You're welcome, Harley Davidson. Now I'm gonna go wait at the end of the driveway for mine to get delivered. The Road Guy.